All right, let's try this again using substitution. So we know both of these equations are both equal to y. So that means y is equal to y, which means that this entire expression is also equal to this entire expression. So we're going to take these two pieces, 4x minus 10, and we're going to say that it's equal to 1/3 x plus 1. Does that make sense? This equals this, because y is the same thing. If y equals this and y equals this, then these two things have to equal each other. So now we're down to x. So I don't like fractions. I'm going to try to get this so that it's just one single x. So that means if I have a third, I've got to multiply this expression by 3. And if I do that, I've got to multiply this expression by 3. And so when I multiply 3 times 1/3, I get one single x. 3 times 1 is going to give me 3. On the other side, 3 times 4x is going to give us 12x. 3 times -10 is going to give us -30. And now we just have to balance this. So I'm going to get all of my x's on one side. 12 is more than 1. So I'm going to take away 1x to cancel that out here. Take away 1x here, so that leaves me with 11 x's. So I have 11x minus 30 is now equal to 3. And now I have to get my numbers on one side. So I'm going to add 30 to both sides. I end up with 11x is equal to 33. Now, if I divide by 11, a single x then is equal to 3. And so there's the first part. Now, if we're going to take that and figure out what y is, I'm going to take the original equation that doesn't have a fraction in it. So I'm going to take y equals 4x minus 10. And where the x is, I'm just going to put my new number and substitute that in. So this is going to find y. It's going to be 4 times 3 minus 10. 4 times 3 is 12. And when we subtract 10, we get y is equal to 2. So our answer to this, our ordered pair, is going to be 3, 2. That's substitution.